Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x8024a205. So this is very easy to fix it or resolve it in Windows 10 or 11. So first you need to click on start and type troubleshoot. This troubleshoot settings, just open it. Click on other troubleshooters and click on Windows Update. Click on run. So this is detecting. So wait some few minutes. This processor will be completed. Now close it. Now click on start and type CMD and right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrators. It's ask permission, so click on yes. Some cases this is not ask permission. So just type this command line sfc, this sfc space slash scan now. This command line and click on enter. Now wait some few minutes. This is scanning your laptop, so wait some few minutes. This process will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, so type this second command. I will give in description. If you comment, so I will give in description. So just comment it. So type this command line. This is second command. If you comment, so I will first command give in description box. So just this process will be 100%. So just paste this command. Space slash online slash cleanup minus icon image space slash, there is no space, only slash restore health and press enter. This is second command. So this both command will be running successfully. This process will be complete. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. Just click on start and this button and click on restart. After restart, your all problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. This is very easy to resolve. Windows Update error code is 0x8024a205. In Windows 10 or 11, very easily you can solve. If you show any problem, so comment me, I will adjust this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.